Hello, I'm Marivic Del Pilar. I'm the President and General Manager of Victory Liner. So Victory Liner is an 80-year-old company. We have a fleet of around 1,000 buses and 100 trucks. So we really take pains at maintaining our vehicles. Before we discovered DIMO, Victory Liner used to manage the fleet, preventive maintenance, inventory manually, specifically via Excel. So this has become a very taxing job and our paperwork was really voluminous. And then I asked our maintenance manager to contact DIMO and learn more about the product. And so after that, we said, okay, I think this is the right software for us and the right solution. And so we embarked on the project.
Computerized maintenance management system played a big contributions in our daily operation. Mainly because DIMO reduces manual interventions in releasing work orders to maintenance department, giving us real-time information to the status of our units, which greatly help on our planning.
So now we integrated DIMO. Manpower requirement is very small compared to the previous manual system that we are using. We can see the schedules of the technicians, we can see the schedules of the buses, regardless of the location. So now we've been using the system for almost 3 months already. Right now, we are happy with the result.
Additionally, the use of CMMS on the mobile devices enhances accessibility and communication. Operation staff can easily view updates, maintenance progress, and schedules. Allows us to have quicker response times and better coordination between operations and maintenance teams.
And I think it just took us 2 to 3 months just to set it up and then train people. And after that, we were go live. And it was so easy to use. For me, as a CEO, as a president, the best thing I like about DIMO is that I get my data precise. People are not able to edit it because the software will speak for itself. How we perform, our efficiencies, are actually seen in the software. So I'm very happy when I'm able to get my data because it really helps me in my decision making as a president. Thank you, DIMO.